Hi guys, we're back on Shopkins Adventures. So today I'm going to be showing you my slime collection. Make sure you click the red subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post a new video. And also stay tuned to the end because there's going to be a surprise. And make sure you click the like button if you like the video and also comment below. Let's get started. Next slime is this slime that I use with lotion. Sorry I didn't tell you for the other crunchy slime, but the other one was crunchy slime with rainbow beads in it. And this one's a slime that's really like thin and light, and I use the Johnson's baby lotion. Next slime is this slime, and it's kind of like a slime with beads in it. I don't even know if you guys can hear that, but listen. Next slime is this like Oreo slime. It's kind of like a cereal milk slime. It has that texture. Next is this big slime. It has this metallic sequence. It's very clicky and glossy. And you probably can tell that I made it out of clear glue. Sorry guys. Next, following up slime. This slime dried a little, but it's kind of so slime. It like dried up. It's kind of like stretchy still. This one's very similar to it, but the other one dried up, and this one did not dry up. Ooh, this one needs borax. But here is this slime. This one may look like only white glue, but it actually has all this glitter at the bottom of it. Whoa. And sadly, but this is the last slime I'm going to show. It's this really pretty slime with foam in it. I don't really know why I'm showing this slime, but just a few days ago, I dropped it in the grass. And that's why it's all trashy. Now it's the moment that I've been waiting to tell you guys. Sorry if that hurt your ears anyway. I'm going to be making slime, and I actually have beads too, but they're just not in the picture right now. If you watch my videos, you would know how I usually make slime. So first I'm just going to add in my Elmer's glue if I can ever get it open. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my shaving cream. I'm going to mix this all together. Actually, I want to add some food coloring in right now. Now I'm just going to mix the food coloring together. I was trying to get like a little bit of like a light brown, like kind of to make it look chocolatey, but I got this beige color. It's kind of pretty, kind of isn't. Anyways, it's time to add some activator. Oop, it's clumping up right there. Whoop. I think it's pretty good now. So I think I can just like take it out. Ooh, yeah. This feels really good, guys. It feels really fluffy since I used shaving cream. It's a very clicky slime, guys, and it's cool and it's very stretchy. Woo! I have so much beads that I got, guys. So I'm going first with this one because I just have so much. I kind of wanted to be really crunchy slime, so I'm just gonna go crazy with them. Next one. Now I'm going with more bigger beads. Back to the big beads. Who is it? Sorry guys, but now I'm just going to mix all the beads together. Oh my gosh, it looks like there's like paint in there, but it's just a whole bunch of like beads. You see that, guys? I hope you guys can see that. It looks really cool. I really hope you guys can see this on camera, but look, it kind of looks pink. It kind of looks pink, like you can barely see it, but look. Kind of looks pinkish color. Kind of looks like pink. Alright, thank you for watching this video, guys. Please make sure to subscribe, comment, and like I said before. And hey, happy Easter, even though it's not Easter. It's April 2nd, but happy Easter anyway. Hope you guys had a wonderful time. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.